Cam, come give your dog some dog food. Man, these kids, they ask for a dog. No, he needs both. He needs water and dog food. Y'all ask for a dog, you ask for this, you ask for that, you get them. And guess what? I'm the one taking care of them. That's that right, Bron? Look at you. Look at that bowl. Look at these bowls. Look at these bowls. They empty, ain't they? Huh? I'm gonna go outside with me. Come on, let's go outside.
I literally gave him water a second ago.
Yeah, he drinking water like that. He ain't no fish.
Yes, he is.
Anyway, YouTube, turn this light off. I was gonna come out here and say the sun is shining on me. The sun is shining on me. But the sun is not shining on me. Look at this, man. It's been raining the last 2 weeks, it seemed like. Look at this. I don't know if you can even tell. It looks okay now. It's just pouring down out here. No sun in sight, clouds everywhere. Look at my deck. This is my old furniture. We got new furniture now I got put together. My wife is buying stuff. Where that box? What's up with this box? My wife is look at my wife's new purchase over here. Okay, I told my wife this is not gonna be a woman's deck. Look at this. What in the heck?
Tripping, receiving team number 5, 10-yard penalty, first down.
I guess it's supposed to scare away the birds. It's scaring me, so ain't no birds gonna come over here. Anyway, thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Picker. I'm Dave, of course. Thank you for tuning in here. Alright, real quick, YouTube. Before I even get into what I'm gonna get in today, which I don't even know what I'm gonna get into today, because I just been freestyling the last 3 months during this quarantine. It's been crazy. But good news. Goodwills is opening up in our area Wednesday, along with some other stuff. I'm not even really keen on the Goodwills because, you know, Goodwill's Goodwill, you know. And I've heard from other people in other states that it's pretty much the same stuff that was in there before they left, because, you know, they haven't been in there working, so it's gonna take them a while. I heard they only putting stuff out once a day, and all that good stuff, so who knows. Anyway, good thing is everything's opening back up, right? So I might hit something up Wednesday. We'll see. Today's Monday, so I got 2 days left for that. If it's your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a reseller. Go to places like thrift stores, like I just told you, estate sales, little retail arbitrage are going to different sales. But anyway, I get stuff, I flip it on eBay and make some money. That's what happens. And if you like stuff like that, subscribe. You understand what I'm saying? Hit that like button and all that good stuff, comment, and do all the other good stuff, because it's free, like I always say, and it don't cost you anything. You feel me? So with all that being said, just wanted to kind of show y'all what was going on here in Louisville, Kentucky. It seemed like it's been doing that around the East Coast here lately. And if you have any grass seed or any plants or anything that you need to put out, put them things out, because things is blooming. Look at this. Things is blooming. My little bush that comes every year is even doing a little something. I got some weeds I got pulled, but it's all good. You know, as y'all know, I just got my deck done, so it's a little under construction. But hey, it's gonna be something here in a few. All right, let me get done with all the babbling. Go downstairs, show y'all what's sold. Down in the basement, just wanted to show you a couple things. First thing I got going out is some socks. Let's get into the socks first. And these are Sandlot socks. Viewer hit me up saying that they wanted some socks. Shout out to them. Actually, I take this back. This is not a viewer. So why am I showing these to y'all? I want to show y'all viewer socks. Bruh. But anyway, these are Sandlot socks. Somebody wanted. And I love the movie Sandlot, man. I think I talked about that before. Sandlot's one of my favorites when I was younger. So yeah. The next pair I got going out is from a viewer. And this is from Keith. Keith actually lives about 50 minutes away from me. He lives in Georgetown, Kentucky. I'm in Louisville, Kentucky, of course. And me and him had a kind of a, I don't know. I think he sent me the picture and I didn't get it. And he sent it again and I didn't get it. Finally, I get it. I got it. So it's been taking a little while for me to make these because we couldn't get the picture thing together. But anyway, I finally got the picture, and it's of his dogs. It actually turned out pretty good. Y'all know my style. I cropped the picture out and put it on the sock, a bunch of different types or sizes, and those turned out really good. Keith, I hope you like these. You should have these in about a day or so. Like I said, you're not that far away from me. Next thing I want to talk about, I only got, today's actually Monday, but I shipped Saturday, so I don't have much going out today. But I sold, or that bid was up on that auction that I had. You know, that slot car, HO, Aurora, AFX, whatever you want to call. I'll put it on the screen over here. Anyway, that bid ended. Check this out, y'all. Now, before I even say it, I paid $25 for the slot cars, the Dukes of Hazzard car, and that other car that I told y'all about. That's worth, the Malibu, or the Bel Air, 1954 Bel Air model car. Anyway, I'm $25 in and a hood, something else. I mean, it's a couple of different things I got. So if I had to break it down, I'm probably $5 into the slot. If you know, if I break it down from blah blah blah, it went for $450, $54. Y'all see it on the screen. Come on now. They went crazy at the end. You know what I'm saying? It was a bit more like crazy. So yeah, man, I did real good on that, man. You know, that's if you ever run into any type of slot cars, I mean parts, racetracks, anything that has to do with slot cars, pick it up, because everything sells. I mean, people selling pieces of racetracks and all kinds of stuff because they don't make it no more. They don't make that type of stuff no more. And I remember having all that stuff as a kid. Hell, I remember having that stuff maybe 5-6 years ago. Somebody gave me a racetrack, and I remember giving that stuff away. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of stuff. I'm sure y'all run into this situation a lot, to where now that you're in the resale game, you see stuff that you used to have and you just remember giving it away or throwing it away, and you be like, man, what was I thinking? But you don't know. You live and you learn. You know, now that you're in a resale game, you see value in everything. And back then, you know, you just wanted someone, you know, you want your house to be clean. I'm throwing that away. I don't want that. Instead of saying, I'm gonna sell that. My wife hates that. She wants to throw everything away, but it's all good. But yeah, man, that's all I got going out. I'm about to go to sleep. Your boy just got off work, and I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up, and we're gonna get into something else. All right. Come on. Y'all know about them animal cookies. This is gonna be a short video today. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm listing, or what I just got finished listing. Well, matter of fact, I'll show you right here, because my kids is too loud in here, man. Some plush. Shout out to Nurse Flip. I always give Nurse Flip a shout out, but man, if you don't follow, because she goes ham. When I say ham, she's probably the hardest worker on YouTube. She's a nurse, and she does reselling part-time, and she might as well do reselling full-time, because she goes super hard. I mean, people been having problems with inventory. Not her. She's killing it. All right, every video she says, I think I'm done with inventory. I'm not gonna get no more because I got too much. The next video she's getting more inventory. You feel me? Bruh. Plus she's listing everything. My problem is I get stuff and it's hard for me to list. Not her. She's killing it. Anyway, I had some plush I've been having for a long time, and she got like a $5 bag of plush the other day that had all kinds of gems in it. I mean, she's gonna make her money a trillion times off that lot. And I knew I had a little garbage bag full of plush that I've been just sitting here looking stupid on. So I said, you know what? She done motivated me to list my little plush. Now my plush ain't like hers. I got a lot of Build-A-Bears. Oh, I dropped something. Sorry for the bad filming. And all these are Build-A-Bears. And I just listed all of them. I got one more down in here. Let me see. Let me go get it real quick. Here, are you a Build-A-Bear? Can I list you? Y'all about the same size though, look. They're about the same size. So I listed all these, man, and they actually, it's my first time looking at the comps, and they actually do pretty good. I'm still getting on these plush. All these are about $20+ pieces. Of course, I know Build-A-Bear. For those of y'all who don't know who Build-A-Bear is, this is where you go, you take your kid for the most part. Well, that's what we used to do. And they actually build their own bear. They put the stuff in there, put clothes on them, ribbons, all kinds of stuff. You can personalize them how you want. And a lot of these are older ones, 2006 to about 2006 models. And I got this in a lot along with some of the electronics. The guy who tried to shake my hand right when this coronavirus started and I had to give him the elbow, I got that from him. But I never looked it up because I'm like, plush, you know, I'll deal with that later when I don't have anything to list. But Nurse Flipper kind of shook the spot up on me and made me list everything, so it's listed, right? And that's why I like watching videos, man, because you just never know. You never know. And that's why I watch everybody. No matter how many subscribers you got, you know, everybody got the knowledge. You know, subscribers are just subscribers. Subscribers are just who follow you. It don't mean what's up here. But everybody has it, you know, knowledge, that is. I got a couple questions. Let's go over some questions.
Y'all, you can try it. Oh no, you can't. No, it's one. No, beside you. The thing goes.
Bring it back.
I didn't see him. He got way better. Okay,
Alright, I don't think I'm gonna do any YouTube questions down here because y'all talking too loud. You know, turn that down a little bit. Hear me? Anyway, first question ain't even really a question. Look at my dog. He just like to chill right here.
No.
He said, new unbox 2001 Jordan 1 breads is going for like 500 to 1K. Sell, sell, sell. It's not really a question, but I wanted to talk about that. Question for y'all.
I'm just knocking all of y'all down.
Do any of y'all collect anything, first of all? And is it always for sale? For me, everything's always for sale. My price might be sky high, but even my collection is always for sale. Like that 2001 Jordan 1, I've been having that since 2001. Never worn, no nothing. I know I can get a lot of money for it, but you know, I don't need money, and some things I just like to have. You know what I'm saying? Like you said, sell, sell, sell. It ain't about the money for me. I'm a reseller, but I don't resell everything in my house. You know what I'm saying? I find stuff to sell. So I'm a collector, man. That's what I collect. I got a bunch of Jordan ones. I mean, if I had to put a number on what my collection's worth, oh my God, I don't even want to talk about that. I can get. I probably can pay my house off.
Bruh.
Probably. So what's up? Well, I can't pay my house off, and don't let me say that because I would pay my house off if that was the case. But I got a lot of money in there. You know what I'm saying? I got a bunch, and but it's just what I like. I like to look at it. I like to wear them. You know, it's part of entertainment for me. You know what I'm saying? Everything ain't about making some money. So, but I understand you. I would tell somebody else the same thing, especially if they was in the reseller game as far as shoes. So, thanks for the comment, I guess. And that was from Eborcism.
No, third party Cam.
Eborci.
Cam.
Eborcism.
Third party.
Next question from Nikki. Shout out to Nikki in Rev Resale. She said, ever do a Tough Mudder course? The deck looks great. Really enjoyed the video. I appreciate it, Nikki. Yes, I've done the Tough Mudder, and she's talking about I think not my last video, but the video before that, I was talking about all the sporting races I ran, which is mud races, where you go through an obstacle course, you get on certain things, and you run through mud, basically all the way to the finish line. And there's obstacles in between. Tough Mudder and sporting race, the same thing, except they got different things. The reason why I don't like Tough Mudders is because of the electricity at the end. A lot of times it's at the end. There's a bunch of lines that go down, and I'll try to find a picture if I can. And basically, all these lines is basically live. Basically, you know, got votes going through them. and you're supposed to run through it to get to the other side, and it's shocking you while you're going through it. Oh my God, it's the worst thing ever. I don't even know why they even got it. I've seen people get hurt. I've seen people pass out, and it just wasn't for me. And you could go around, but it just kind of turned me off after I did it the first time. It's an alright little course until you get there though. And you know, you run 13 miles, 14 miles, and then you gotta do that. Oh my God, come on, your body's already wild. Can't do it. And I'm the type that don't like to pass anything up. I gotta do every single thing. So next question from Logan. Shout out to Logan. Wanna be friends? Logan, yes, I wanna be friends. And I tell you that every video, but you say it, you know, you ask me every time I post, man. I mean, yes, I wanna be a friend. You know, subscribe to me, man. I wanna be a friend, okay? Next question. It's from Smile Grandma Here. Great name. She said, hey Picker, Grandma here. I like that. What did you do with all those miniature bats from the lot purchase several weeks ago? And then she said, oops, my apologies, I just found them in an eBay store. Well, I didn't list them all. I only listed like 2. And I forgot all about them. I'm like glad that you sent this question. I will be reposting those. I will post all those. Sometimes I put stuff in the cuts and just forget about it. And sometimes a lot of y'all remind me, and I'm glad. I'm the worst at buying and letting it sit for a while before I list. I need a list as soon as I bring it in. And I know a lot of people have that type of system, and I need to get on that system because I'm super bad about that. But I will list those and probably hit you up and let you know when I list the rest of them. If there was a certain one that you was interested in, let me know. I was gonna say one more question, but that's all the questions I'm gonna do for today. My wife's back to work, first day to work since it's quarantine. So I worked a 12-hour shift last night, got off, and she went to work, and I've been at home trying to maintain them with their work and everything. I'm so tired, man. You got anything to say to the people before we get off?
You ugly.
Anything else?
You ugly. You're your daddy's son. No, you actually are, cause you're his daddy's son. Your daddy, and you're his son.
You my son. And you called your father ugly.
Because your daddy's ugly.
And guess what that makes you?
Especially with the guy.
And guess what that makes you?
Ugly. Buggy.
Nah. Me and him have the type of relationship. It's not nothing like that. He's singing a song. But anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Alright? Y'all be good.